I came for this course basically to understand how resilience we can build among the people, among the cities, so that the people can respond better to disasters. Primarily, I come from a background wherein I have been working like in earthquake response and flood emergency response. So this was the major reason why I have come to this place. Holistically speaking, the resilience can be defined in a number of ways. I think this course provided that understanding to us. It is not just like one aspect. It is the climate change, the DRR aspect, the human developmental aspect. If we focus on all these three aspects, so I think we can really achieve the resilience. This course, I think it provided us a holistic way of understanding how disasters can be mitigated, how it can have a long-term impact on the climate change, because climate change is something which is very much global, but the disasters, they are very much local. So what I really think is that it gave us a broad understanding, a broad framework, wherein we can do in bits and pieces, we can contribute. I think what I really learned from this course is about the Human Development Index, how whenever we design our programs, our projects, how we can capture the Human Development Index in terms of resilience building, in terms of the climate change, and in terms of disaster risk reduction. The course, I think it will benefit me in my designing the programs, my projects. I think I can now take into consideration primarily the Human Development Index, the climate change factors, and how in the long run it can both contribute to disaster risk reduction as well as the climate change. I think there are a couple of things which we can think how this course can be more beneficial. One is the climate change. It's too broad, it is too general. And another thing, I feel that we need to give more time for the planning and the budgeting part. Most of us were not from the background, from economic background. So there might be certain concepts which might take us to understand a little more. So I think we can spend more time on planning and the budgeting part.